Hey everybody, Psycho here again. Now today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the GoHero 1080p webcam. This is something I got off of Amazon because I needed a second cam for some upcoming videos. So I wanted to see what this is going to be like. One thing I noticed right off the bat, there is no branding on the box. It just kind of has some generic stuff. Probably because they didn't want to really ding on the GoPro name too much, but it does say stereo microphone, privacy cover, plug and play, tripod stand, and same thing on this side as well. So, let's have a look. Oh, first off, we got is the tripod. Kind of nice that they include this. A simple little tripod makes a big difference if you wanted to try different things. You don't want to have it on your monitor. And here is the camera itself. So, one thing I really like right off the get-go is it does have the privacy cover like it stated. Because on my Logitech it doesn't, and I use a piece of paper. So there is that. That's a good thing. It does have some tilt to it, which is kind of nice if you're not level and you want your camera to be level. So that's kind of nice. And another thing, 360 rotation. So again, my Logitech doesn't have that. We have a little fold-up thing to set it on your monitor, so you can change that. It also has a thing on the bottom for the tripod. Again, you can switch this out for a big size tripod if you want it, so that's kind of nice. The big thing I want to stretch here, guys and girls, is this is a $15 camera. Now that is $15 as in Canadian rupees. That is, if it works good, it is a remarkable value for $15, I will say, because it has everything you need in a webcam. Let's just see if that connects right quick. Yep, that goes together pretty slick. Can't complain there. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Alright, so I have both cameras hooked up right now, and we're going to do a little side-by-side comparison here. The Logitech is this one I'm pointing at right now, and this is the GoHero, the main one. One thing I will state, the Logitech camera was $100 and this one's $15. Keep that in mind when we're looking at this. Also, the audio that you're hearing right now is from the GoHero camera. I don't know if it's any good, so I can't really comment on quality. However, I will say I don't buy a web camera for the mic. I have my own separate mics, so it's not really an issue for me. But it's something to consider. I can't comment on it, so you're hearing what you're hearing. Alright, next, let's talk about the quality of the picture itself. Right off the bat, the Logitech is super blurry compared to the GoHero. It's much more crisp, and I can tell just even by looking at it, the quality difference is kind of remarkable. It's just so much more vibrant. I mean, not vibrant, that's not the right word for it, but it's crisper and whatever. The colors aren't quite there perfect, but it's good enough for what it is. And another thing I will state with the Logitech is it kind of blurs out with lighting. So if you're a person that have like the little circle lights and they project on you, it will go like blurry, where this camera doesn't do it. And I'll just show you now, as I have some natural sunlight coming in my room, and you can kind of see how my hand goes. On the Logitech it's blurring out a little bit, but on the GoHero it looks pretty damn good. And like I can turn you can see like in my face how it's like shining. It's just so much better. I am truly flabbergasted, I guess would be the word, that this $15 camera is kicking the crap out of my $100 Logitech camera. Mind you that my Logitech is probably 10 years old at this point, but the quality is so much better. And again, you got your little privacy shield, you got that 360 rotation, you got your tilt if it's not level. It's everything that you want in a camera. If you're somebody that has like a Twitch stream or a YouTube stream and you're looking to get a camera for like the face cam to put in the corner, this is a perfect solution for you for under $20. You cannot go wrong. I'm super pleased with this camera, and I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't pay me to do this. I bought this camera because I need it for an up-and-coming video with my son. I'll give you a little spoiler. We're doing a Psych and Spy play. Not Psych and Spy, that's my brother. Psych and Son play. And I'm not going to spoil it, but we're going to be doing a game together. So that's coming up this weekend. So that's why I got the camera, and I'm super pleased with it. Anyways, that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for viewing.